It's time to let London know we won't be bullied. We won't be the poor relation of the UK. We won't pay for their mistakes. It's time to defend Wales from the economic chaos that the Conservatives are going to inflict upon us. With Jeremy Corbyn's Labour weak and divided, only Plaid can get Wales' voice heard at Westminster. 1.5 billion a year is what we were promised by Westminster. That's the money we currently get from the EU, plus Wales's share of the Brexit refund that was promised as well. That kind of money would be vital to oiling the wheels of the Welsh economy. But it's only Plaid Cymru that can keep Westminster from breaking its promises. Promises with people's futures should never be broken, and that's why ensuring we get the highest number ever of Plaid Cymru MPs will ensure that that promise made to Wales is kept. A reckless kamikaze Tory Brexit is bad news for Wales. Our basic industries are flooded by cheap inputs, the money that we were promised denied, and the powers that we're asking for blocked. Plaid Cymru has a positive post-Brexit plan, with the defence of Welsh jobs, our people, and every community of our nation at its heart. Our policies are designed to deliver for the people of Wales, giving us the power over our own tax levers so we can give ourselves a competitive advantage to boost wages and make us more competitive in the global economy. Making sure that £4 billion that is spent on public procurement in Wales by the public sector ends up supporting Welsh companies rather than global corporations, and making sure that Wales is connected, both every community within Wales and Wales to the world, digitally and through the best possible and modern public transport. Living standards and real wages continue to fall while inequality is at an all-time high. Can we really afford to allow the Conservative government to drive Wales' economic future into the ground? Plaid Cymru is the only party that has a comprehensive economic plan for Wales that would see a Wales-wide investment in our infrastructure, which has been neglected by successive governments, Welsh wages protected through a real living wage, and guarantees for every person under 25 so that they'll be in education, training or employment. An economy that works for Wales, not for Westminster. The people of Wales will stand for economic injustice no longer. Let's show the Conservatives that we demand more. Let's show Labour they can no longer take Wales for granted. Let's show the world Wales is ready to unleash its potential. Let's vote Plaid Cymru.